Good day, everybody. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm here once again with the 8th grade pre-algebra mathematics. Friends, I've just graded all the pre-tests that are completed, and if you're in this class, you should be done with that by now and working diligently on Module 1. If you're just getting in, my friends, you are behind, but let's get cracking. Real quickly, back on the class homepage, you will see a couple posts from me. The first one was Module 1, and then I also talked about virtual learning. If you haven't done those yet, do them now. I'm making this video just to remind you that once you start here and have completed a lesson, so you can see here getting started is finished, then you need to move on to Module 1. Since I have not taught math in 20 some years, I am doing these with you so you can see I completed the number line lesson and it's time to do the number line quiz. I'm going to start grading your number line quizzes, and as you can see, I sent back your results on your pretest. So that is where I expect you to be at this time. I have left many of these modules open for you to complete at your own pace, but I want to warn you, if you're not actually doing the learning when you submit these quizzes, they are your final scores. There are no guarantees that you get retakes. So my friends, you need to make sure that you're doing the learning just like I did the learning back here on the number line module, so that I would make sure that I was totally ready when I was done with this. Did all 6 pages, wrote down my notes, used the Bing calculator as I was working to actually learn everything that you're learning. And don't forget, in the system, they've got all kinds of review guides that you can print and use just so that you're getting all the learning that you're supposed to as you're going through this Michigan virtual course. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.